Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So I want to show you guys how I made this very quick and easy and also cheap backdrop. So this backdrop, I actually use this for a holiday party, but you can actually use this backdrop for, you know, pretty much anything. Doing your YouTube videos, this would be perfect, or behind a dessert table. So, things like that. So with this one, I went with the color scheme of gold, sequin, and then some pink and lavender. And all I did was take a gold tablecloth, see, and I just folded it over my photo backdrop stand. And if you don't have a photo backdrop stand, that's perfectly fine. You can also do this with pinning your tablecloth to your wall. So you can do that if you don't have a backdrop stand. That's not a problem at all. And then I just took streamer paper that I got from the dollar store. I used the colors purple and pink. So I got that from the dollar store. And I just cut different lengths and then just basically threw it over the backdrop stand so that it would hang over. And that is it. It was cheap, easy. The gold sequin tablecloth I did get from Amazon, but you don't even have to use material type backdrop. You can actually use tablecloths, plastic tablecloths from the dollar store, and then get the whatever color streamer paper that you want to match to go with your theme. But I think it came out nice. I like it because it took no time to put it up. If I had just did streamers, it does take a lot of time to cut and tape or throw over the streamers over the backdrop. So I just want to add a little bit of color, not just have it plain gold this time. And that is it, guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.